Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up role level security or RLS in Supabase. So before starting, make sure that your data structure is ready because RLS controls who can read or write data. And this keeps your database safe by allowing or blocking access per user. So first, you will open your Supabase project, which is right here. And what you will do is you will go to the table editor, and then you will choose the table that you want to secure. So for example, this table right here. And then what you will do is you will uh, go to the RLS tab at the bottom, at the top, which is right here, and then you will just have to toggle it on so that you will be able to enable the RLS for that table. So just wait for it to load or to update. And now, as you can see, we have this option that's add RLS policy now. So what you will do basically is just click that, and now that you're here, you will just have to click create policy. And what you will do is you can choose from the templates like enable read access for all users, enable insert for authenticated users only, enable delete for users based on user ID, enable insert for users. So yeah, this is actually the list of policies or templates that you could choose from. And after choosing one, Supabase will generate SQL for the policy. And if your screen looks different, make sure that you're using the correct schema, which is usually public. And you will just have to click Save Policy. And then finally, you will just have to test the policy using Supabase built-in auth preview or by connecting your app to ensure the rules work as expected. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.